Hi guys, it's Fat Petrolhead here, and yes, you read it right. Sometimes it's better to change your windshield even if it's not broken. And today we're gonna discuss when you should do it. Surprisingly, the windshield is the main thing that influences your vision on the road. And so, it doesn't only influence your safety, but also your eyesight. Usually it seems that the windshield cannot be in a bad condition. However, in reality it can. The problem is that usually you don't notice it as you adapt to the condition of your windshield. However, it becomes more obvious during the rain, especially at the night time, when even having a new wipers, you don't have a clear view on the road. Also, you can compare your windshield to any windshield of a new car, and if you have a good eyesight, you probably would feel the difference. Glass surface of the windshield is affected by many factors, but mostly by stones, sand and your wipers. That is why it can be worn out on the old cars, let's say 10-15 years old, with the mileage above 200,000 kilometers. But it is not always needed, because for example, if you changed your wipers quite regularly and also you didn't drive a lot of highways, then a 20 years old city car can have an ideal condition windshield. Okay, but how to diagnose the windshield condition? Because it's kind of a little bit strange and maybe tricky. So, the first sign of the windshield being too worn out is that when you change your wipers, you don't have an ideal view after using them. But also you can check it manually, just touch the surface of your windshield outside, of course, when it's absolutely clean. And if it's not absolutely smooth, then probably it's time to change your windshield. If you decided to do it, always go for the original one or a very good alternative parts, because the Chinese cheap windshield would be worse than your old and worn out original one. I would personally always go for the original windshield in all situations, except probably those windshields with heating lines, which I really hate. So guys, yes, it's not obvious, but please think about changing your windshield if your car is not new. And I can recommend you a big playlist on this channel about car maintenance. There are all information starting from oil change intervals to cooling system proper maintenance. So, link in the description. Thank you and see you soon. And press the like button if you enjoyed watching this video, it helps channel a lot.